Brief tutorial on how to do copy trading. Let's use Bitget as an example. You make money through different ways in crypto, and copy trading is one of the major ways to make money. So I'm going to show you briefly in this tutorial how to use copy trading for profits. So you should open your Bitget. You remember I'm your coach, Rich Rondo. As you open the Bitget, you see after reward, referral, and copy stocks. You click on the copy. So you click on the copy, it's showing you copy trading. There are different ways of copy trading: futures, spots, and bots. So in futures, you see the highest person is making 48.9% profit return on investments, and a lot of people are copying him. He's the best person so far. After him, this other guy is on top. Why is he on top? When you look down, you look at his win rate. That's why Bitget put him on top. Let me increase the screen so that I can see it. His win rate is 76.15%. The next person is 84% profit return on investment. Now these are the top copy traders. I think this next person is higher than him in return on investment. You can click copy and start copying. His win rate is 82, and so on. This is under futures copy. You just go down, skip scrolling. Anywhere you like, you can copy. Then the one I normally use, or I prefer, is spots. You click on the spots to show you. Yeah, the first guy in spots is already full. You can copy him. You can copy him. His return environment is 1,071% profit. Then you see $24,000. Then he's full. You can't follow him because 100 people are already using his copying him on spot. The next person, second best person, is also full. His return on investment is 90%, 90.82%. The third person is not full. 399 people is copying this third person. That means you can key in now. I can key in now by I click copy. His return on investment is 561.17. So what you do is you just click on copy like this. The top person is when I want to copy him today. As I click, you see sports trading pairs. So he's showing me I set it on settings. It's already set on select all. I can copy him in all these pairs, all these currency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I can remove some pairs I don't like, and copy him on 2 or 3 only, depending, and it's fixed. Copy trading mode is fixed, and it's a risk management, stop loss, take profit, maximum copy, $50,000 US dollar. Automatic copy is on. So if I click follow now, I start copying him. If I click the follow button, that's just it. Very simple, and I start making profit with them. Enter copy limit. Then this guy now, copy limit is $10 to $3,000. So if I click here, I can start copying him with $10 if I have $10 in my account, or $100 or $300. So that's it. I don't want this video to be long. So as I invest my $10 to $100, $300 or any amount, I'll click follow, and automatically I'll be following him. Let me go back. So this is the spot. The next one, 500% return on investment, and 498. It's almost getting full. This next guy to 500. Immediately 500, I can't follow him. I can copy him again. So they are all doing well. That is one of the ways to make profit in In crypto space, copy trading. You can also click on bots. When you click on bots, you now see featured, top profit, minimum investment. You can now also copy the bots. These are the bots. People are copying different from normal AI bots. You can select use. Few people use this one. This one 1%, the other person 4%, the other third one 11%. Then investors profit, minimum investment. This one 808 USDT minimum investment. This one 966. This one 966. This one 966. So you use a lot of capital for this copy trading of bots. That's it. The next one is signal. Signal, if I want to be sending signal for people to trade futures. So that one doesn't concern. That one doesn't really. It's not part of it. That one is, you see, become a signal provider. If I want to, I apply. That's it. So this is the introduction of copy trading. It's one of the good ways to make money with crypto. So very, very important. Subscribe and like my channel, and you will get more information. See you in the next video. I'm your friend and your coach, Rich Erondo. God bless you as we make money in the crypto space through copy trading. Bye for now.